everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're opening up the September Facetory. So Facetory is a sheet mask subscription. I talk about this often. I love sheet masks. I love masking in general, but I definitely gravitate more towards sheet masks. I think they're cleaner, easier, simpler, just perfect for the lazy person like me. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this mailer bag. I think it is just adorable, and I love that it's like minimum waste, and it's a reusable bag so you can store your sheet mask in there or do whatever you want with it, which is great. And this is a pretty affordable subscription. I think it's like $7.57 or something per month. I got it on Cratejoy, and I actually got like a 6-month plan, so it came out to be like $6 and something cents per month, so that was great. And you get 4 sheet masks each month. So you definitely get more value than what you pay, so that is amazing. So let's get this open and see what we received. So inside the bag, everything is stacked up here. I forgot to mention that it always comes with like a reusable, like it's a postcard, it's a usable postcard, or you can like frame it. This is so cute. It says "Falling for You" on it. And here in the back you can see that it's a postcard. But I think this is cute just to like hang up somewhere. It's just so cute, I love it. And then we have our sheet here that gives information about this month's theme and all of the masks inside. And then here are the masks themselves that I'll show you as we go through. But let's see what the September theme is. It says, September Forever Fresh. Curated by Facetory. September marks the arrival of the cozy season, and we wanted to help prepare your skin for the dry months ahead. In this month's Forever Fresh kit, you'll find sheet masks that are aimed at calming the skin, providing hydration and adding moisture. Get ready to fall in love with your best skin yet. And then it gives some tips on how to sheet mask if you're unfamiliar. First, you want to cleanse and tone your skin, and then step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the directions on the actual mask itself. Or the mask packaging. And then step 3, remove the mask and pat down the remaining essence. I like to do that, and then I kind of move it down my neck and chest if there's extra essence. So let's get started. The very first one, so cute. This is actually by Facetory, and this is Everyday Acai. So this is what the packaging looks like. Face mask or sheet mask packaging is always so cute, I think. And here's the back. So let's see what it says on it. It says, our masks contain no harsh chemicals, no parabens, SLS, artificial dyes, denatured alcohol, or ethanol. There's no artificial fragrance. And this is a rejuvenating mask. It says, I sigh without you acai. Oh, they're trying to tell you how to say acai? I don't know. And then on the back it says, want to brighten, moisturize, and protect all at the same time? Look no further. This sheet mask will do all that and more. Infused in a nutrient-rich essence, your skin will be left super smooth and glowy. This says plant-based approved on it. And directions: cleanse your face, apply the mask onto your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then again remove the mask and pat in that essence. So awesome. Let's see if we have any more information here. They usually do give some good information. Like the pricing is $3.50. And this is a super gentle plant-based sheet mask that protects, moisturizes, and brightens all at the same time. And then they tell us why they love it, and then give us some information about the key ingredients and when to use it. So I love this little sheet, it's very handy. So why we love it: first off, we love that our Facetory everyday masks contain no harsh chemicals or fragrances. This acai mask makes our skin look radiant and plump. We couldn't get enough. A must-have in our skincare treatments. So the key ingredients: the first is acai fruit extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that also aids in moisturizing and soothing the skin. And then there's purslane extract. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. But this is a skin-calming ingredient packed with vitamins and antioxidants to restore and protect your skin. I don't think I've heard of that before. Purslane extract, cool. And then it says when to use it: when you're craving more than a acai bowl or smoothie, reach for an acai sheet mask. Awesome. Acai bowl sounds really good right now. I haven't really had one of those in forever. I think there's a place nearby. I'm gonna have to check that out sometime. Ooh, the next one's called the oh my gosh. The next one's called the Watermelon Face Mask. And look how cute this one is. Kind of is like more of a summer vibe on it. She's like in a tube, like eating some watermelon. Yum, that sounds good. And this is deeply hydrating, a tensile sheet. This is by Look at Me, made in Korea. Let's see what it says on the back. says Tencel has a comfortable, smooth, and soft surface that allows for maximum and effective absorption of benefits. And it looks like the rest is in Korean. Or here's another one. It says, or another paragraph. It says the watermelon face mask is ideal for use after sun exposure, saturated in hydrating watermelon juice, giving your skin an instant moisture boost and leaving skin vibrant. So let's see what Facetory has to say about it. The retail price is $3.50. And it says, quench your skin's thirst with this deeply hydrating Tencel sheet mask that is soft on the skin and packed with essence. Why we love it. This mask smells delicious and it gives our skin that beautiful glass skin look. The key ingredients include watermelon fruit extract packed with antioxidants and vitamins. This ingredient helps the skin stay hydrated and supple while brightening the skin and fading dark spots. It's also made with lavender flower water. This is a skin calming ingredient that minimizes redness and irritation while healing and evening out the skin. When to use it? When you need more water on your skin or when you want to smell like a watermelon. Warning, do not eat the mask no matter how yummy it smells. It smells really good like watermelon. I'm excited to try this one. The next one, this is cool looking. It looks like more medicinal. This is by Jean Block, the Sisa Essential Sheet Mask. And this is what it looks like. See like the herbs on there and the mortar and pestle. So it says it strengthens the skin barrier and has calming and improving wrinkles. Wrinkle improvement, moisture supply, and skin soothing. And it looks like most of the back is in what I'm assuming is Korean, so let me look on the sheet and get more information. So this is a retail value of $2.50. This Tencel sheet mask is infused with a lovely essence that is packed with skin calming botanical extracts to calm down angry, inflamed skin. Why we love it. This mask helped add hydration to our skin while minimizing the redness caused by acne and dry patches. Relax and try this mask after a stressful day. The key ingredients include Centella asiatica extract, a gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps calm skin irritation, speeds up healing, and evens out the complexion. It also contains Camellia sinensis leaf extract, a skin-soothing ingredient that minimizes inflammation and redness while providing anti-aging and skin-renewing properties. When to use it. Listen to some ASMR with this calming sheet mask on your face and feel the relaxing vibes. You guys want to know what I've been thinking about doing, but I don't know how I'd pull it off? It's like an ASMR unboxing video. Who would watch that? Would anyone watch that? I don't know. Let me know. But awesome. I'll definitely use this. I always use their masks. They're so good. But last but not least, we have the Nutrition Essential Vita Mask Skin Refreshing by Orgena. This is a cellulose sheet, and it looks like there's like a capsule on there. Oh, Archer, what's wrong? So this is retail value of $3, and it says this mask is packed with vitamins B, C, and E for a well-rounded, nutritious snack for your skin. Why we love it. We love that this mask had a slight cooling sensation during the application. It felt like we were in a luxury spa. It hydrated our complexion and gave us a beautiful, smooth, and glossy skin. The key ingredients include niacinamide, which is one of the best skincare ingredients out there. Niacinamide works to even out the skin, minimizes fine lines, brightens, hydrates, and strengthens the skin. It also contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a stable form of vitamin C. This ingredient focuses on brightening, I can't speak, I'm sorry. Brightening and fading dark spots while also being a powerful antioxidant. When to use? When your skin needs a bit of a boost. Awesome. I really want to try this one. This one definitely seems like it has the most skincare, well, they all have skincare ingredients. Okay, I see my cat, look at, he's about to be bad. Archer. Archer, no. Get down. Oh, get down. Oh, he listened. What, did you guys hear me do my mom voice, cat mom voice? But yeah, so that was everything. There's just a little bit more information on here that I just dropped. So it also gives you some tips on the back. It seems like it's the same tips every month, but let me just share them really quick. Tips: do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. I use a timer when I use face masks, so I don't go over that. And then use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders, which I do. And then make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask, which I also do, and you guys should too. So again, just a very, very quick recap. We have the Nutrition Essential Vita Mask, the Sisa Essential Sheet Mask, the Watermelon Face Mask, and the Everyday Acai Face Mask. So 4 face masks. Definitely over the value of $7 or whatever you pay. I will leave the Cratejoy link down below. That is where I got it. I love Cratejoy, by the way, so you can use that link to like browse their website too. It's like seriously subscription box heaven. But yeah, so I'll leave that down below. I always leave down below my social media handles. If you want to like catch up in between uploads, you can always find me on social media, pretty much Snapchat and Instagram, but you can add me everywhere. Love to be friends there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and opening Facetory with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.